noticed something about your car. I see you got one of the most hardest cars on the planet out here.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's your next modification?
Is it? The next modification is for sale. The next owner can do that.
Oh, okay. So that's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's up. So I see you got it going down right here.
Yeah.
You got it going down.
New project coming.
So you got a new project coming. So what's that gonna be?
A 70 Cutlass convertible.
Okay, so when is that gonna be coming out?
By Christmas.
By Christmas?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna follow you up on that. You already know Tanja Hunters of the Hard Auto Show Off. My hand is shaking. One of the most hardest cars on the planet right here. You got my hand shaking. Your car got to be bad to make my hand shake. If you ain't got nothing, my hand ain't gonna shake. One of the most hardest cars on the planet right here. Get your money up. Get your money up. Follow me on YouTube and Facebook. Get your money up. I'm out here at King of Diamond.
Just